Good morning, guys. Another day today. Started with my XUV. Like I said, I have to give it for service today. So heading to the Mahindra showroom probably in another 30 minutes. Need to have breakfast. Then head out and have another important work to do later. So once I do that, I shall be keeping you guys posted once the important work is done. A big boy going for service today. Every morning, it's around 8. This is Arabi, taro root sabji. This is parwal sabji. I didn't eat yesterday. Eating it today with good morning, guys. Heading to the service station to give this baby for service. Mr. Aditya has come with me, so he'll be there with me most of the day today. So let's get going. I'll keep you guys posted. That's my house, by the way. Hello. Just wanted to check with you guys, how often do you guys give your cars for service? What is the regular checkups that you guys do, which is very important, has to be done for the cars, especially these big boys, so that you get flawless performance. So I've done around 1,02,200 kilometers on my car. So it should reach probably, it's actually for 1,10,000 the service, because I gave it a little late and time was over, so I had to give it for this. From the past 2-3 services, it's like I'm waiting for an year for service, because I have been not traveling much. It's this year only, touch wood, that I've been started to travel. So hopefully more travels to come. I know for sure the next 10,000 will get over within a year. For that is 100% Pakka. Bengaluru. Good morning. So beautiful. Too much of traffic as always. Right now I'm at the exit of this is HSBC office on the left side. This is the signal. I have to go towards the right. Towards that side. This is your IMB compound. IIM Bangalore. I have to go right towards the service station. I just called the service manager. He said come, he's waiting. I said okay. He's a really good friend of mine. I'm sure if anybody is wants to go, get their Mahindra serviced, please let me know. I'll give you his contact. A very nice person, very genuine person. Hey, this is a service center. Gave the car for service, regular periodic service. Good oil filter and oil AC filter will be changed. So it's 1,10,000 kilometers. So by evening I should get it. Nothing major. So that's what. I have to check my brakes. That is also fine. Okay, time to head to the meeting. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. The service center. This is Bannerghatta Road. Too much traffic today. Bannerghatta Road. Guess who's driving? Ali. No swearing at all. Huh? No road rage.
Full of road rage.
Look at him. Still it's that young blood. Into the meeting spot. I'll ping you guys, or not ping you guys, I'll call you guys, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Back to this place for snacks. So hungry, famished. Gonna belch some food. Beautiful place. Amazing food, amazing. Have you had here before? Never? Why not? How come you have not had? You are not heard? It's supposed to be your domain. No, food is your domain. How was today's experience? Having Coke. Haven't had any sugar since morning, so belting myself with lots of sugar. Cheers. What is this, boy? Do you know how to eat this? Mix everything in that? Pakka? Or you want to check with her?
Check once.
Wow, pav bhaji. There's your spoon. So do the honors. Oh, first you do that and then mix, huh? Mix it full. Perfect. Icing on cake is squeezing the lemon, no?
Right.
Look at the joy on his face. How is it? What is the rating on this?
110.
110. Amazing, dude. Unbeatable.
Pakka Mumbai type.
Really? Classic vada pav. Small place, but a nice, awesome place. Lovely food, must try. Hello again, going back. I'm going to get the car now. Car is already ready. So I have to just go pick the car up and come. You guys saw what we ate in the previous clip. We belted one pav bhaji, one misal pav, one plate of dabeli cheese, and one classic vada pav. So how was the misal pav? Bro, on 10.
Misal pav, I rated 20 on 10 because this is the first time I'm eating it.
How was the taste?
Very good.
Amazing. I'm also giving the rating of easily, I think, 100 on 10 if there is an option. Then next is how is classic vada pav?
Classic vada pav, 10 on 10.
10 on 10. Yeah, I would also say 10 on 10. Then how was this thing? What is that? Cheese dabeli.
Cheese dabeli, 100 on 10.
100 on 10, I agree. Cheers. And I think the best was how was pav bhaji?
Pav bhaji, infinite.
Infinite. Wow. Amazing. Puneri Katta is the place to go for these amazing treats. We were like famished after the small meeting or big meeting that we had. So let's see where it goes. Now going to the workshop. So this is BTM second stage. This is Mr. Palaksha Shadakshapa's workshop. Expedition Motors. So all your bike requirements, needs, modifications all are done there. Best part is it's open right next to Royal Enfield showroom. So epic. Anything you can contact Palaksha. I'm sure most of you know him as Pali. So yes. This parcel, aloo pakoda. That is also awesome. This is heading towards Manargata Road now. Hello guys, my baby is back. Done with the beautiful service and replaced like I said, disc pad, disc both front car. So it's as good as new. The brakes, so amazing. This is required. Hadn't changed the discs from probably over 1 lakh kilometers. So yeah, good job. Mahindra is amazing. Apart from the GST that we had to pay, 28% for few of the items. Really bad. Anyways, nevertheless, Mahindra rocks. Always rocks. Love you. Hello. What are you guys doing? How's your evening going? Time for me. I feel very active, although I slept late yesterday. Very hectic day today. Very, very hectic. Very, I wouldn't say irritating. Testing my patience to the limit. But yeah, decent outcome. Got my car also in one go since I left my house. So yeah. How's your evening going? Comment Madi. Class. This guy looks class. Hello, Belle. Hello. Not पढ़ रहे तो. And Tata. Coca-Cola time. Adi time by adding sugar to your body time. Look at him. He's troubling mom so much. I just got him fish. He's troubling mom. You want to rest now? Having some chai. What happened?
You drift marna. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Adi is entertaining, but rather the other way around.
Shiona shalla.
Drift.
Drift.
Oh, where did you get this from?
Have a garden.
Oh, very nice. Superb. Damn nice. Wow. Huge. This is Adi playing with Mr. Bell. Oh. It's like, don't make me work out so much. Adi is also trying to lose some calories. When the camera is on, he doesn't want to do anything. Tug of war was happening, he got to know the camera is on. How do you get to know the camera is on? Oh, cookie time. What is this? Very odd.
Nutella lava and chocolate brownie.
Oh, where did you order from?
This only baked.
Only baked. No, where are you? Like, you Swiggy it or
Upside.
website? Edible ones. Oh, okay. Open
See
it.
the size.
It's as big as your face. As big as your face. Yeah, perfect. Open it. Let's see what it is. Sorry, I ignore. They are having some. Both sisters are having some discussion about aloe vera, and this guy still taking tug of war. Open it. Sure. Okay. Nice. Eat it and tell me how it is. Let's see. So fresh enough? Good, bad, ugly. Ignore the noise again. Both the sisters are talking continuously. Super. How much on 10? Give me a bite. 10 on 10? Okay. Let me eat this. You guys want one? What is this? Which flavor is this?
Double chocolate brownie.
Sure. Wow. Open it. Sure. Oh, looks yum. I'm sure this will be yum. What is the rating? Quick, eat and tell what's the rating on 10.
20 on 10.
Really? Give.
Aha.
Today is heavy calorie day. You guys can also have. This is good. Since I'm not great fan of sweets. This is massage time by mom. Hello guys, time is 8:15. Had a chotu nap. After that again asked my mom to apply oil. So just chilling today. I had a very long day. Very stressful. It's peaceful now. Applied some for my beard also. Yeah, this is Adi's car, Indica, very beautifully maintained by his dad, Ravi Bappa. And yeah, he was also sleeping. That's my baby, first baby. He's almost 14-year-old. Lots of memories with this guy. Yeah, so I was talking about Adi. No, he's sleeping. He just woke up. His mom's waiting for him, so I just woke him up. I just came out. It's pretty nice, the weather. And today I've ordered from Biryani by Kilo. Got a small, nice news. So, just small celebration. Nice biryani, egg biryani and kathal biryani. So I'll show you what all I've ordered, and it's so beautifully packed and given. I'll show it to you. Yum on the way. This is kathal. See how beautifully it's packed. This is biryani by Kilo. The Cleven bought, and all thanks to Unnati. She's the one who's.
So this one is kathal biryani. We have eaten almost to the end. And this is egg biryani. Both are best sellers by Biryani by Kilo, and this was introduced by me.
Yes.
And then the legacy went
Pakka,
on.
100%. How's the food? Good. You can speak. Yeah.
Class.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now this let me belt. This kathal is 200 on 10. I know today's been only about food. This is also good, decent. I say probably 10 on 10. Perfect. And this is veg galoti kebab. The best combo with that is the pudina chutney they give, and rumali roti.